Welcome students. Today we are going to learn how to sort a list in OpenOffice Calc. For this we are going to use and OpenOffice app as we are doing our practicals in apps. So I am going to start and OpenOffice. From here I will select spreadsheet to work in OpenOffice Calc. So we are going to sort a list of words or list of numbers. So what is actually sorting? Sorting is arranging different words in alphabetical order or numbers in increasing or decreasing order. Alphabets can be arranged ascending A to Z or descending Z to A. So let us see how we are going to do. First of all, we have to type the some words or some names or the given data. So here I am typing some colors name like yellow, red, white, green. You can see all the colors are not in alphabetical order. I am randomly writing the name blue, pink, black, white. Now when we will sort, then these colors will be arranged automatically in alphabetical order. For example, first color would be black, then blue, and then likewise. How we are going to do it? First of all, we have to select the list. So first item of the list is yellow, which is in A1 cell. So I will click on A1 cell. You can see the active cell is A1. Now I will select from A1 to A8 because the last cell address of white is A8. After that, I will click on menu bar. I will click on data menu. Then I will click on sort. Here you can see there are two tabs, sort criteria and options. If I want to keep yellow in its own place, means if in the place of yellow there would be the name of colors or any other word as a label or as a heading of that column, then I don't need to change it. But here yellow is the part of the list, so I have to change it. So here the heading would be the column A because all the list items is in column A. How do we do it? Click on options. Remove the tick sign from the second line. Range contains column labels. This means that while sorting, the OpenOffice Calc will not include the first word of the list. So I am going to click it. Then again I am going to go to sort criteria. You can see yellow has been replaced by column A, means now yellow is a part of the list. Then from right side select ascending or descending. I am selecting descending. I will click on OK. You can see whole list has been sorted in descending order, means Z to A. First yellow, white, violet, red, pink, green, blue and black. Now how we are going to do it in ascending order? Simple, go to menu bar, click on data, sort. Already you can see again I have to remove the yellow. Go to options, remove the second tick sign, range contains column label. Go back to sort criteria, select ascending order, then OK. Here you can see the sorted list. Now if I want to sort a list with a label, how I am going to do it? I am going to go to column B for that. Here I am writing name of colors. Label could be anything or heading could be anything. Here again I am writing randomly some color names. So I have written here few color names. Again I have to select the list. I have selected the list. Again go to menu bar, go to data menu, go to sort option. Here it will be asked whether you want to extend the selection, means here you have only selected column B. If you want to select column A also, you can click on extend selection, but we want to sort only column B, so I will select current selection. After that, sort criteria, sort by name of colors. I want to keep the heading as name of colors, so I don't have to do anything. I will go to options tab. Here I will check whether tick sign is there or not in the range contains column label. I saw that there is a tick sign, so I don't have to do anything. Go back to sort criteria, then click on ascending or descending. Here I am doing ascending order only. Okay, you can see the list has been sorted, but name of colors is in its own place. So like this you can sort a given list. So try it yourself.